Welcome to our channel. In this video, we present a compilation of small-size main gate design ideas that are perfect for your home. Whether you have limited space or simply prefer a more compact gate design, we have curated a collection of unique and stylish options to inspire you. From modern and minimalist designs to traditional and ornate styles, we showcase a variety of gate designs that will enhance the overall aesthetic of your property. Our aim is to provide you with innovative ideas that not only serve the purpose of security but also add a touch of elegance to your home's entrance. Each design is carefully selected to cater to different tastes and preferences. We understand that every homeowner has their own vision, and we hope to help you find the perfect gate design that aligns with your personal style. Whether you are looking for inspiration for a new gate installation or planning to renovate your existing one, our video aims to provide you with a wealth of ideas to choose from. We believe that a small-size gate doesn't mean compromising on style, and our collection proves just that. So, if you're ready to explore the world of small-size main gate design ideas, sit back, relax, and let us guide you through this visual journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting home improvement ideas. Let's make your entrance a statement of style.